Welcome to TProject. Registration on MEXC. Open the MEXC app and tap the account icon. Then tap Login to continue. The first login is considered registration. Choose your preferred registration method, email or mobile phone number. Enter your email address or mobile phone number and set a password. Note that you need to set a medium or high complexity password to proceed with registration. After clicking Next, you will receive an automatically generated verification code on your phone/email, depending on the registration method. Enter the verification code to complete the account registration. Verification on MEXC. After successful registration, you can immediately undergo KYC verification. A pop-up window will offer you two identity verification options: Basic KYC and Advanced KYC. We recommend going through Advanced KYC. After fulfilling requirements, your verification application will be submitted for review. This usually takes 15 to 45 minutes. To check whether the exchange has approved your application or not, open the MEXC app and click on the account icon. Then, click on the arrow next to your username. If verification is successful, you will see KYC completed under your username in the opened tab.